In today's Ableton 11 tutorial, I'll show you how to transform your track into a richer and more powerful mix without losing dynamics. We'll use D16's Bitcrusher Decimort to achieve that vintage sampler vibe like the iconic Akai MPC60, infusing your mastering chain with an electrifying burst of excitement. Let me show you this cutting-edge VST plugin in action and keep your eyes on the pick levels in Ozone 10's limiter. It's a powerful yet easy way to punch up your mixes, making them fuller and in this case 4 dB louder without increasing peak levels. If you don't have Decimort 2 yet, check the description for that download link. Now let me show you how to do that. Before using Decimort 2, we need to take a look at the limiter. The audio peaks at minus 4.5 dB and that's where you should set the threshold. Now place Decimort 2 on your mastering chain before the final limiter using the MPC60 default preset. When applying this bitcrusher to a mix bus, there are 4 parameters to take into account: resolution, preamp, sample rate, and volume. Begin with the resolution setting. By default, your track in Ableton Live is likely set to either 24 or 16 bits, which are hi-fi resolutions and more than what's necessary, so you can leave it set to 12. Next, the preamp knob. Turn it up to increase the amount of distortion, but turn it down before you hit play as it might already be too much distortion. It usually works well between 8 and 13 dB. Now let's hit play. The sample rate determines the frequency range of the recording. The highest frequency that can be represented by digital audio is half the value of the sample rate. I usually leave this at around 36 kHz, which captures and reproduces frequencies up to 18 kHz. Let's have a quick look at it. Unless you want to create dramatic effects, don't go below 35 kHz. We saw earlier the audio peaking at minus 4.5 dB, so gradually increase the volume until you reach the same peak level on your limiter. And that's how you can achieve a more impactful and louder mix. The limiter is now reading minus 7.7 dB LUFS, but check this out. You can reach minus 6.5 dB LUFS with hardly any limiting at all. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button to show your support. Don't miss out on any of my future deep dives into electronic music production. Hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the next tutorial.